Yeah, hi. And welcome to the Devil's Cellar, Teufelskeller. Swiss German Teufelskeller is a prehistoric landslide area near Baden in Switzerland that was created around 100,000 years ago by a sack. This left a diverse system of rock towers and caves on the eastern slope of Grüßliberg und Breck and the furthermost foothills of the Heidersberg Range Hills. Let me show you one picture of that. There you find these kind of things. There are a few of them. And I have wondered all my life what they are. Doesn't look like a landslide to me. Haha. So now, let's hop back to the article. The northernmost foothills of the Heidelberg range of hills. I would say these are fulgarites, which means it was a lightning bolt which created those. And listen to that. The name is said to go back to the legion of the Grützliberg, also Kreuzliberg, a castle site located above the Teufelskelder at 514 meter height is located. Yeah, that's Google translation. The king's daughter of the former castle each went to a hill nearby. In this dwelt spirits who devastated and tore the hill in terrible weather. When the king's daughter wanted to look at it and went down into the depths, she said to have been petrified by the spirits there. She was released from this state and brought back to the castle through a miracle picture that was brought in from the nearby monastery. The cross was then placed on top of a mountain. This is still called the Grüßliberg today, Cross Mountain, while the depth is known as the Devil's Cellar. The legend probably indicates how people used to explain the rock slide themselves. Terrible weather. It left other marks there than just this few fulgarites. For example, in the same town, the Baden thermal baths are the oldest known thermal springs in Switzerland. They're on the really foot of the whole structure. It is the most mineral rich in the entire country. So these are the baths, and if you would go up the hill, you would find the Devil's Cave or cellar. I think it's no coincidence that we have really much geothermal activity in this region and we find huge, massive fulgarites. Or fulgamites, it depends how you watch it. Probably there are fulgamites, massive ones. Maybe I should show you what a fulgamite and a fulgarite is. Fulgarite, commonly known as fossilized lightning, are natural tubes, clumps, or masses of sintered, vitrified, and/or fused soil, sand, rock, organic debris, and other sediments that sometimes form when lightning discharges into ground. Fulgarites are classified as a variety of the mineraloid lachiterite. When ordinary negative polarity cloud ground lightning discharges into ground substrate greater than 100 million volts of potential difference may be bridged. Such current may propagate into silicate and quartz, so sand, mixed soil, clay, or other sediments, rapidly vaporizing and melting resistant materials within such a common dissipation regime. This results in the formation of generally hollow and/or vesicular branching assembles of glassy tubes, crust, and clumped masses. Fulgarites have no fixed composition because their chemical composition is determined by the physical and chemical properties of whatever material is being struck by lightning. So that's a small one. I think you can take it in your hand. And that's the big one, which is probably some 20 meters high or something. Really close to the oldest and most mineral-rich thermal baths in Switzerland. Huge fulgurites. Yeah, I leave it here. Lightning, geothermal activity, electric currents, seismic activity, volcanic activity. All related. All related. Thanks. Bye.